Hi and welcome to this quick video on how to do a quick scripted install of System Center Orchestrator, the new beta that's just been released. I thought rather than doing a normal blog post that just shows you how to click next, enter a few details, next, that actually automate the entire process of setting up the server, that's SQL Server, IIS features, .NET Framework, and do a scripted silent install of the Orchestrator product as well. So let's crack on. See, this is a basic install of the server, no features or anything installed just yet. I've extracted the Orchestrator product. I've added a few extras in here, so we've got the .NET 4 ready. I pulled NT rights out of the 2003 resource kit. That's mainly to avoid having to manually add it in the service account to log on as a service right in group policy. Got the PowerShell script that I've done. You can find the link to download this on my blog post. Quick SQL script that sets the permissions on the database, and Silverlight, that's also a prerequisite. So get PowerShell up. And we're off. So first off, it needs .NET 3.5. It'll then go through and install .NET 4. It'll then enable, might install Silverlight actually. Then we'll enable the IIS components. It'll then go through and install SQL 2008 R2, and then it'll move on to setting up the local service account and running an automated install of Orchestrator. Like I say, if you want to know exactly what the PowerShell script's doing, then have a look on my blog post. I think it'll be in the description notes under the YouTube, or if you're watching this embedded, then you can obviously see it straight away on the post. I'm no PowerShell expert, I'll tell you that now, so the script can be modified, improved. It's more for demonstration purposes more than anything. Thought it's rather fitting to automate the install of an automation process product. What I'll do actually here is, because .NET 4 takes a little bit of time to install, so I'm just going to pause the video while it installs. And hopefully it's just about to finish the install. Silverlight. While it's doing that, like I mentioned, I've extracted the Orchestrator beta into root the local drive and added the extras. I've also got the SQL 2008 R2 disk in the D drive. You'll see it kicks off the install and it does reference that. Just enabling the IIS role and features. Orchestrator doesn't require every component of IIS, things like the IIS 6 management consoles, so this does install just the required components. And off goes SQL. Again, I'm just going to video. No point sitting and waiting for SQL to install, it can be quite a while. And it's installed. Obviously the only reason I put a pause in this bit is to actually be able to stop and start the video recording. in the script that I provided for download. That's not there. While that's quickly installing, there was a slight challenge issued to see if you can get Orchestrator installed within 5 minutes and a policy imported into the console. Now let's see if we can do that in under 5 minutes. So the time is ticking. To about 30 seconds. Now during the community evaluation program kickoff, the 5-minute challenge was with AllSQL and everything installed ready, so that was setting up the account, installing the Orchestrator, and then obviously launching the Runbook Designer. So we're on to about a minute now. And yes, that time's right, it is midnight. Soon be heading off. Coming up for about 2 minutes. There we go. Runbook Designer. And that's Orchestrator installed and a runbook imported in just a tad under 3 minutes. Now you can see that the script create the user account for us. It also never expires the service account, and dropped it in the administrators group. And kindly added it to log on as a service settings, which I do actually hope they build that into the actual product install so you don't have to do that manually. And there we have it, a totally silently scripted setup of the features enabled, prerequisites, SQL Server and the Orchestrator console, and also enabling the Orchestrator console to be installed on a server that's prepared and Runbook imported in just under 3 minutes. Thank you very much for watching, and you can read more details on my blog. Thank you.